Hello and welcome to Bite. Today I've done kids' favorite. Meatballs. But not any meatballs, steak meatballs with zucchini. Here is how. Add 400 grams of minced steak. A handful of parsley. 2 tablespoons of dried onion. 1 for the meatballs and 1 for sauce. Salt to taste. 400 milliliters of tomato puree. A pinch of thyme. Peppercorn to taste. 4 garlic cloves. 2 for meatballs and 2 for sauce. 1 bay leaf. 2 tablespoons of oil. 1 egg and 1 zucchini. Let's start with the meatballs. Wash and peel the zucchini. Grate the zucchini. Grate 2 garlic cloves and add them in the meat bowl. Make sure you don't lose any water from the zucchini, as the water makes the meatballs soft. You can actually add some 50 milliliters if your meat doesn't have enough fat. Add 1 tablespoon of dried onion. Add salt to taste. Break the egg inside. Add pepper to taste. Add a pinch of thyme and mix thoroughly. Chop the parsley and then slowly integrate in the mix. Form the meat into small balls and make sure they are soft. Place them into the fridge to harden until we finish the sauce. For the sauce, grab a suitable pan. Mince the garlic and fry in 2 tablespoons of oil for 30 seconds. Add the tomato puree and if it's too acidic, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add peppercorn to taste, a pinch of thyme. 1 tablespoon of dried onions. Salt to taste. 1 bay leaf and 400 milliliters of water or chicken stock and mix thoroughly. Bring to a boil and reduce heat to low. Reshape the meatballs and place in the pan. Do not try to mix for the next 10 to 15 minutes, as the balls will break apart. Simmer at low heat, stir occasionally and reduce to a thicker sauce or as you might like it on pasta, mashed potato, or even sandwiches. Enjoy! Like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.